In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore and review your Miro board history. Whether you're new to Miro or just need a refresher on navigating your board's history, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to your Miro board by opening up your web browser and heading over to Miro's website. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already. If you're already familiar with Miro's interface, you'll know that a list of your boards will be right at your fingertips. Choose the board you wish to review or restore by clicking on the appropriate thumbnail. Once you've opened your board, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll notice an icon with 3 vertical dots, commonly recognized as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to various features and settings related to your board. After clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu. Hover your cursor over the option conveniently labeled Board. This will expand another list of options where different functionalities can be accessed. As you're aiming to review and possibly restore past work, your next step is pivotal. Click on the History option from this expanded list. Clicking History allows you to view a detailed timeline of all the changes made on your board. Here you can scroll through past actions, giving you a clear view of the board's evolution. This feature is especially useful if you're collaborating with a team and need to keep track of who did what and when. It's not just about reverting changes, but appreciating the workflow and understanding team dynamics, particularly when you're working on creative projects or brainstorming sessions. Should you spot something that was accidentally deleted, Miro has you covered. Near each historical action, there's a restore icon. By clicking on this icon, you can easily bring back deleted items, restoring them to their former glory on your board. It's a brilliant feature that ensures your creative process isn't hampered by mistakes or accidental deletions. Reviewing and managing your Miro board history is an excellent way to maintain control over your collaborative projects, offering peace of mind and transparency. By understanding how to effectively use these tools, you can enhance your productivity and keep your projects organized. So go ahead and explore your board's history to ensure that every genius idea is preserved and every collaboration is seamless. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial, and happy Miroing!